This video will help you with graphing linear relationship word problems activity. So we have a person took a slice of pizza from the freezer and put it in the oven. The oven heated the pizza at a rate of 7.5 degrees Celsius per minute, and it reached the desired temperature of 80 degrees Celsius after 12 minutes. Graph the relationship between the pizza's temperature and time. So temperature is over here, degrees Celsius on the y-axis, and then time in minutes is on my x-axis. Now I know that after 12 minutes, it was 80 degrees Celsius. So I'm going to find where x is 12, and then I'm going to move my dot up to 80 for the temperature. So 12 minutes, 80 degrees Celsius. And then it's heating up at a rate of 7.5 degrees per minute. So this is going to be increasing because it starts at a lower temperature and then it rises until it's ultimately 80 degrees Celsius. Now, it's kind of hard to graph 7.5. We can't really do it. So instead of graphing 7.5, I'm going to say, okay, if my slope is 7.5 over 1, so 7.5 degrees per minute, what if I multiplied both of those numbers by 2 so that I have something that's easier to graph? So instead of 7.5, I'm going to have 15. And then instead of 1, I'm going to have 2. So all I did was multiply the denominator and the numerator by 2, and I still get the same constant slope of 7.5. So I'm going to start here, and I'm going to say instead of going down 1 minute, I'm going to go, or instead of going over 1 minute, I'm going to go over 2 minutes. So I'm going to be at 10 minutes. And then instead of going down 7.5 degrees, I'm going to go down 15 degrees. So I started here, I went over 1, 2. Now I'm going to drop. So I went down 5. This is 10. This is 15 based on what my intervals are over here. So you started at 80, and then I went over 2 minutes, and then I went down 15 minutes. This is, again, still giving me my slope of 7.5 degrees per minute. I just did it a different way. Now, if you got confused and say maybe you put your slope over here, we know that this can't be a good option because this is a decreasing slope. And we need an increasing slope because, again, my pizza is getting warmer by the minute.